Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn what is offset phase and what is offset region. And later on, we are going to discuss about the differences between both of them. So let's start. First, let's go to the offset region. As per the definition, it states that it is going to offset a set of faces from their current location and adjusts adjacent faces to accommodate. Adjacent faces means neighboring faces, the neighboring faces which are in contact with the faces we are going to offset. And to accommodate means to adapt that change, whatever we are doing through the offset region. Now, let's understand the definition of offset phase. As per the definition of offset phase, it is going to offset a set of faces from their current location. So, I can say that offset phase is 50% of offset region. Why so? Because if I compare both the definitions, so you can clearly see then in both the definition, it's stating that offsets a set of faces from their current location. But in the definition of offset region, it has additional statement which states that and adjusts adjacent faces to accommodate. So this is how we get the difference here. Now let's understand the working of both the commands. So just go to offset face and here I'm going to offset this like this. So this is the working of the offset face. Like you want to offset a face, you can simply select the face and select the value. Now you can see there is a limitation regarding this. Why so? Because it is not adjusting the neighboring face. That's why we are getting an error here. Now click on OK. And now if I just have the offset region and select this face, and now this time I'm going to give it as 10 or 20. Now you can see I can increase to whatever the value I want. Why so? Because here there is the adjustment of the neighboring face, which is this one. This one is the neighboring face and it is adjusting as per the changes to that particular body. Now, it's time to understand the difference because mainly these both commands are very easy to use. If you want to have the offset, then simply have the offset face or offset region. But if you want the more flexibility regarding the offset, then I must suggest you to select the offset region instead of offset face. Let me show you why. So here in the intent rule, I have tangent faces and here I'm going to select the faces like this. And here I'm going to give the value as 6 or 7. Just give it as 6. Now, if I just zoom in here, so this face basically which I am giving the offset to, so that face is coming in contact with these faces and these faces are not going to get adjust. Why so? Because this doesn't apply with this command. Okay, now if I just give it as 7, so it will throw an error. So I'm going to give it as 6. And now in this case, I'm going to have the offset region and here I'm going to select the tangent faces and I'm going to select this and here I'm going to give the value as 7. Now you can see here, these faces, this one and this one, are getting adjusted as per the changes in the face which I am giving to offset. These faces are adjusting themselves. Why so? Because as per the offset region's definition, the adjacent faces are going to adjust themselves to adopt the changes. Now I can give to 10, 20, whatever the value, but the limit is up to this face. So this is how I can use the offset phase and this is how I can use the offset region. So offset phase is 50% of the offset region because in offset region we have the statement which states that the adjacent faces are going to adjust themselves as to adopt the changes. So this is all regarding the offset phase and offset region. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.